Are you having trouble with allow camera effects on the WhatsApp app? If camera effects aren't available, the option isn't working, or effects don't appear when using the WhatsApp camera, these troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix allow camera effects on WhatsApp. The first thing you have to do is to go to your WhatsApp. Then in this page of WhatsApp, we'll move to the sign of three dots on above. You click on settings. Here in this page of settings, you will go to privacy. In this list you see, you will find here this page of statue, and then we'll find not here, just here in this page of privacy, you'll find allow camera effects. You will tap here and you click continue to allow it. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us